Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and it's a couple of days before Thanksgiving, so when you see this, it'll be Tuesday before Thanksgiving. And what I wanted to show you was just a quick DIY with some fresh flowers and something pretty for your table on Thanksgiving Day. And a lot of times we will go out and we will buy some fresh flowers to put on the table. We'll typically put that in a vase. And I picked up these beautiful, sort of like an orange peachy color rose. And I also picked up these sort of red and orange carnations. And these were only it was only $15 for this. I think there's a dozen here. That wasn't bad at all. And these, I think, these were $6 for these. So, and then I picked up this little filler, which is just like a little, I don't know what it is, but it's just a sort of filler. And this was only, I think, $6 as well. Yeah, $5.99. So for around $26, under $30, I'm gonna have a beautiful bouquet centerpiece for my Thanksgiving Day table. Now, what I'm gonna do is I have this really pretty pumpkin, and this was a candle. This was a candle from Harry Slatkin a couple of years ago. And so all I'm gonna do is I have some Oasis, the foam that goes into fresh flower arrangements, and I picked it up at the grocery store. I have it soaking in water right now. So it's gonna be nice and wet, and I'm gonna put it in here. And I don't glue it down or anything. I cut it so that it would fit snugly in here. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my flowers, and I'm gonna stick them in strategically to give them, you know, so that it will look like a little arrangement in here. Now, you can use any kind of, you know, pot thingy that you have at home that might be fall, or, you know, any kind of container really that you have on hand. You could also use a real pumpkin. So if you have any pumpkins that you've had that you got in the beginning of the season, you can cut the top off, scoop everything out. It doesn't have to take time to dry out or anything. Just scoop all your seeds out. And then you can put you know, the cellophane that we wrap baskets in, you can just put some of that cellophane into your pumpkin, you know, cut it around the top, and that way the water won't seep out. So that's one other option if you wanted to do a real pumpkin on as your centerpiece, which would be beautiful. And so I am going to put my Oasis into my pumpkin and into my vessel here, and it's not very deep. And then I'm just gonna start cutting and placing the flowers. So I'll bring you in a little bit closer so you can just see what I'm doing, and then I will show you the finished product. Now, just as a side note, my husband and I are going to be doing Thanksgiving alone this year. So I'm gonna be setting a nice romantic table for two when I get this finished. So I'll show you that at the end of this video as well. So come on down. So my Oasis is nice and soaked with water, and what you want to do obviously is keep this nice and wet after you have your arrangement in there. You want to continually water this. Now this vessel is waterproof, so I don't have to worry about that leaking out or anything. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the largest flowers, and those are the roses. So I'm just going to start placing them. And obviously when I start, I might not cut down as far because I'm not sure. I don't want it to be too high. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it right now. And I'll just start by placing one here in the middle. I think I want it to be a little bit shorter than that. And your Oasis is very soft, so your flowers are just going to get down in there very, very easily. So you want to just start making it kind of all around even. Alright, and I'm going to use everything that came with this rose bouquet. And it came with a little bit of this, I forgot what this is called. I used to know, but I can't think of it right now. But I am going to put that in there as well. Now I'm going to start putting the carnations in. And I'm going to try to put some of these carnations down low to fill in what's going on at the bottom here. Do some fill. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is my beautiful Thanksgiving table centerpiece with real fresh flowers. And underneath I just put the little leaves that I had cut off of the roses, and I just stuck them in there, you know, so that filled it in underneath. And you have your fresh filler. I think this, you know, where I have this status, that's what it's called, I believe. I'll put that sort of in the front. You find what's the most full, and then that will be the front of the centerpiece as you set it on your table. But I mean, you don't get much easier than that, really. You just put it in however your eye, you know, however you see that it looks the best. And it's just a lovely centerpiece, and I will continue to water this. This will last me at least, I would say, a week. So I'll show you it on my table as I have it set up for my romantic Thanksgiving dinner for two this year. We are going to be doing a, you know, family dinner. We're going to be having our Thanksgiving on Saturday. Everybody's kind of got their places to be on Thanksgiving Day this year, so we're going to just, everyone's going to do their thing, and then we're all going to come together on Saturday, which is really nice, actually. So I probably won't be making a turkey, but I will be doing something that's kind of fallish. So So anyway, guys, I will show you the table when I am done with this video, but I really love how this flower arrangement came out. I'll link a video below of someone doing this flower arrangement in a real pumpkin. That's what kind of gave me the inspiration. So I'll link him below. And that's it for this video. I hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, whether it's dinner for 2 or dinner for 25. I hope that everything just goes smoothly and that you enjoy your family and your food. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Stick around for the tablescape. Take care. Bye for now.